case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The United States Supreme Court tackled a contentious issue in 2005 under the case Johanns v. Livestock Marketing Association, whether a federal program supporting generic advertising of agricultural products, specifically beef, violated the First Amendment. Originating from an innovative funding mechanism tied to cattle sales and imports, the program generated funds to promote beef consumption. A contingent of beef producers took issue with the program, arguing that it coerced them into financially supporting advertising with which they disagreed, thereby breaching their First Amendment rights. Siding with the producers, the district court called a halt to all fund collections related to the program, even from contributors who were amenable. The Court of Appeals similarly upheld this stance, deeming the mandatory funding to violate the First Amendment. The Livestock Marketing Association vied for an appeal, contesting the government's claim that the advertising technically constituted government speech. At its core lay the question: was coerced funding for speech not aligned with one's own beliefs a transgression of First Amendment rights? The Supreme Court laid this debate to rest, ruling that precisely due to the origin of the funded message, the mandatory funding of government's beef promotional campaigns did not infringe upon the First Amendment. The rationale was at once simple and profound. People elect their government, which then executes policies on their behalf, even extending so far as advertising. Therefore, the court opined it was constitutionally admissible. The beef program survived the legal challenge, intact and free to continue. Yet the door was not entirely shut, as the case was driven back to the lower court for examination of additional unaddressed issues.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.